Trace and mark your pattern pieces on the back of the fabric using a Sharpie. Cut the pieces out with micro serrated scissors. Follow the pattern directions and sew the bear together. Flip the bear right side out. A pair of forceps is really helpful to do this. Fill the bear with stuffing, like Polyfil silky fiber fill. Fluff the long fibers out of the seams with a stiletto. Be creative and make a Halloween costume for your bear. Dress your bear in his Halloween costume. You're all done! Happy Halloween!